Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to refresh Outlook so your emails, folders, and updates stay fully synced and up to date. If you've ever opened Outlook and noticed that new emails weren't appearing, or maybe your inbox felt stuck and outdated, don't worry. Refreshing Outlook is a quick and easy fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through several different ways to do it step by step. Whether you're using the Outlook desktop app or Outlook on the web, this guide will help you keep everything running smoothly. So let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, type outlook.com into the address bar and press Enter. After the Outlook homepage loads, you'll see the Sign In button on the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Next, Outlook will ask for your login details. Carefully enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Make sure everything is typed correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Outlook provides password recovery options nearby that can help you regain access to your account. Once your credentials are entered, click the Next button to continue. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard. This is the main hub where all your emails, folders, calendars, and other Outlook features are stored. At the top of the screen, you'll notice several tabs and menu options. Look for the View tab and click on it. Inside the View menu, you'll find different options related to how your inbox and email content are displayed. Now, depending on the version of Outlook you're using, you may see an option labeled Sync, Send and Receive, or Refresh. This is the feature responsible for updating your Outlook mailbox. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, Outlook will begin refreshing your inbox and checking for new messages. This process updates your folders, syncs incoming mail, and makes sure your latest emails appear correctly. Refreshing Outlook can also help fix small syncing problems, especially if emails seem delayed or missing. Now let's talk about the quickest method of all: keyboard shortcuts. If you're using the Outlook desktop application, simply press the F9 key on your keyboard. This instantly triggers a refresh and forces Outlook to sync your emails. It's one of the easiest shortcuts to remember and can save you time if you regularly check for new messages throughout the day. For many users, pressing F9 becomes much faster than navigating through menus every time. If you're using Outlook 365 or Outlook on the web, the process is slightly different because Outlook runs inside your browser. In this case, you can refresh Outlook by clicking your browser's refresh button near the address bar. You can also press F5 on your keyboard to reload the page. Refreshing the web page helps update your inbox and ensures the latest emails and notifications appear properly. Another useful thing to know is that Outlook usually refreshes automatically in the background. However, sometimes internet connection issues or syncing delays can prevent updates from appearing immediately. That's why manually refreshing Outlook can be so helpful when something seems off. You may also notice that refreshing Outlook can improve overall performance if folders appear outdated or if certain emails are taking too long to load. For users managing multiple accounts, regular syncing ensures all inboxes stay current across devices. And that's really all there is to it. Keeping Outlook updated helps you stay organized, avoid missing important emails, and maintain smooth communication throughout your day. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more simple Outlook tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.